Hey friends, are you ready to make a beaded turtle?
You will need a weaving pattern, pony beads, 6 feet of plastic cording, a pair of scissors, and a key ring. Begin by folding the plastic cording in half. Then tie a knot at the folded end. And remember to always consult your weaving pattern to determine the number and type of beads to thread. Thread beads onto the string on the right. Thread string on the left through beads in the opposite direction of the string on the right. Again, check your pattern to identify the next beads to thread onto the string on the right. Note that the beads are threaded in the same order in which they appear on the pattern. Thread the string on the left through the beads in the opposite direction of the string on the right. You will repeat these steps for each row of beads except for the legs and feet. For the legs, begin as usual by consulting the pattern for the number and color of beads to thread. And thread the string on the right backwards through the first bead. For the left leg, you will thread the beads through the string on the left. Then thread the string on the left backwards through the first bead. Now that the front legs are finished, resume the original steps until you get to the back legs. As with the front legs, consult your pattern for the number and color of beads to thread. Thread the string on the right backwards through the first bead. For the leg on the left, you will thread the beads through the string on the left. Thread the string on the left backwards through the first bead. Continue the original steps to thread remaining beads. Tie a quadruple knot to close off your weaving. Snip the strings and apply nail polish and let dry to secure the knot. Then you can attach your keyring if you'd like, and your turtle's all done. Great work!
Thanks for making a beaded turtle with me today. If you had fun, check out the video on making a beaded lizard. We'll see you here next time to have some more fun making art.